Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, check whether you have a 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows. For this, open your File Explorer, right-click on this PC and select Properties. Under System Type, you will see if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit Windows. For me, it's 64-bit. Make sure your PC motherboard has built-in Bluetooth, or you'll need an external Bluetooth device. Next, open your browser and, in the search box, type Intel Bluetooth driver and press Enter. Open the website at the top of the search results. On the website, you'll see the Windows 10 64-bit version of the drivers at the top and the 32-bit version below. Since I have the 64-bit version, I'll select the top one. Read and accept the license agreement to start the download automatically. Once the download is finished, close your browser, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the driver file you just downloaded to open it. Click the Next button and wait for the process to complete. Click Next again, read the license agreement, and if you agree, check the box and click Next once more. Choose the type of installation, Custom, Complete, or Typical. For this guide, I'll select Typical, but you can choose any option that suits you. Click Install after the installation, click the Finish button, restart your PC to ensure all changes take effect. After restarting your PC, go to the bottom left of your screen and press the Window button. Type Bluetooth in the search box and open the application at the top. You should see a Bluetooth switch to turn it on or off. Turn it on. Press the plus sign to add a new Bluetooth device and choose the type of device you want to connect. That's it for this guide on how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.